subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Gionee has announced its new affordable phone under K series in China called Gionee K30 PRO. Talking about the specifications, the Gionee K30 PRO features a 6.53-inch HD Plus display with 19:9 aspect ratio and 92% screen-to-body ratio. The screen supports a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 8-megapixel selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone houses a triple camera setup in a circular ring at the top center, including an LED flash. The triple rear camera includes a 16-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 5-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 120-degree field of view and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. Under the hood, the Gionee K30 PRO comes powered by an unknown MediaTek chipset clocked at 2 GHz. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of onboard storage. The handset comes backed by 4000 mAh battery that supports 20 watts fast charging through a Type-C charging port. Additionally, the smartphone also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor equipped under the circular ring. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165 by 76 by 8 mm and it weighs around 202 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Gionee K30 PRO has been priced in China for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 699 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 799 Chinese yuan. And the smartphone will be available for purchase in the country in Starry Sky Black, Dream Blue and Zero White color options. So, what do you guys think of this Gionee K30 PRO smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.